Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Jefferson County in moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watertown, Fort Drum, Stony Point, Adams, Dexter, Glen Park, Adams Center, Henderson Harbor, Barnes Corners, and Southwood Beach State Park. This includes Interstate 81 between exits 39 and 48. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Jefferson County in central New York, west central Lewis County in central New York, until 1:30 a.m. at 12:43.
Okay. So if you are wondering why the WR120 was going off, it is monitoring channel 4. I heard headers on there first before KBS went off. I was like, oh, what could this be for? Well, turns out it's for Jefferson. I didn't even notice that. Well, it turns out it's for Jefferson. Actually, I think it's just for. I wasn't paying attention to it. But, wow, that was unexpected. I wish my phone was on so I can capture the headers and everything. But that was really unexpected.